welcome to Tabitha the Tourist, a vlog. Yeah. So today I am traveling with my family. I am in South Padre Island, which is absolutely amazing. I must say, it is so stunning. But I am still making sure to eat all my food and be healthy and all that jazz, which has been really great because we have a kitchen and so I can. But I thought I would just do a little bit of a food vlog just to show you what I'm eating as I am adventuring and having a fun time with my family. So this morning I am having an amazing breakfast with, of course, my coffee. I have a little bit of sweet and hot Louisiana spice, which I might put on my eggs. And I don't know if you can see this, this is kind of not super great, but I'll show you. So I have the rice cake, sweet potatoes, 2 regular eggs, a little bit of egg whites, spinach, and mushroom, which is going to be absolutely amazing. I am so, oh, got a little drip, it's fine. Not that up. But I'm so excited about this, and I'll add a little bit of this hot sauce. Then of course I have my gallon of water that I'm gonna drink today, a cup of coffee because it's fantastic and life and coffee is amazing. And then all of my supplements, which I just bring. I reuse the bottles, so I take cod liver oil, and since I finished all the cod liver oil in this bottle, I'm just using it to house all of my like multivitamins and things for the week. So yeah, this is what I'm eating today, and I will show you the rest of the day and what I eat because it's actually really amazing. So, hang on. I had to call in reinforcements. You can do this, Dad. Save the eggs. Don't let them burn. Don't break the yolk. Yes! I think you did it. Thank you for saving my eggs. Yes.
We're gonna go do yoga on the water right now. Yes. I'm very excited. Okay, meal number 2, yes, you see myself in the reflection, is cake pop protein powder with some oatmeal, almonds, and sprinkles because everything's better with sprinkles. And then it is vacation, so I will be having a vanilla and caramel mini cone, BCAAs, coffee, and water because we did just do yoga, so wanted to make sure to rehydrate and all that jazz. But I'm going to be enjoying this with this beautiful view and just having a good time, happy vacationing. Something I realized I forgot to say. I had a Quest bar earlier because right before yoga, I was tired. And so I had a cookies and cream Quest bar. So, confession done. Cookies and cream Quest bar, breakfast, and my oats plus ice cream cone. Okay, this is dinner. Diet Coke with strawberry guava, which is amazing. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And then I made this really interesting, it looks disgusting, honestly. It looks really disgusting. But what it is spinach, celery, seasoning, and wow, it does look really gross. Sweet potatoes. I swear it's gonna taste good, I think. There's cucumbers, there's onions, and then there's fish down there, which, there we go, I found it. A little bit of fish right there. I know this looks disgusting, but I decided it's like a hobo dinner, as we call it, which is basically where you have all the food, and you just throw it into one big wrap, and then you bake it. It's really good. I put a little bit of spice on it, olive oil, all that jazz. But I'm gonna eat it and we'll see. So I kind of do things that just are really, really simple and super filling because I like to eat a lot and I get hungry. So eat a lot of vegetables because you can eat a lot more quantity of them as opposed to like a protein bar, which you kind of eat that and that's it. So I like to be able to chew my food and actually feel like I'm eating something. So lots of vegetables. Eat lots of vegetables. They're good for you.
My nightcap was amazing. Birthday cake sprinkles, absolutely fantastic. I am tired. I think we're gonna go out and do a little bit more adventuring, but I am done eating for the day. I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration and ideas for what you can make for your macros and all that jazz. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd happily answer as many questions as I possibly can. But other than that, thanks so much for hanging with me today. Bye!